along parliamentary seat who have supported me. Along parliamentary seat who have supported me and who have enabled me to stand in this great institution and to speak this almost at the last hour of the day. Last but not the least, let me just end up with this quote, sir, that I call upon this, the members of this August House. Let us rise up, as Nehemiah said. Let us rise up and build. Let us rise up above party politics. Let us rise up above, caste, religion, and creed, and let us build this nation. If we want to see a developed India, I would request each of them remember to rise up and build this great.
Mana badan duki itu nomor satu nomor dokter. Dia orang tu. Okey.